और भाई की हलचल, आइए देखते हैं आज का माल। तो अगेन वी आर हार्टली वेलकम टू यू इन अनदर video of IIT course related to, and I have a certificate in this video too. So before going anywhere, we already make lots of video on this IIT series. If you haven't watched it, so please go and watch there. And one more thing, if you have any problem in this, so go watch with this video we made on this special series, the how to do an IIT course. So without wasting any further time, आइए देखते हैं. So from the given link in the description you will find these kind of page there, and here you can see a course related to the introduction to database system. I think it's called DPSM. So this course will be by the Professor Srinivas Kumar from the IIT Madras. So you will have a chance to learn a new thing about the database system by the IIT's level teaching skills with the IIT professors. And you can see there's a course around they are giving to a 12-week program, and in some courses there are 8-week programs, but it goes to be a 12-week program. And you can see the introduction to transition processing module, whatever it is. And one more thing, they will give a book and references for your preparation, because there is a condition of getting a course certificate. Knowledge is absolutely free. There is not a single piece of charges from your side for taking a knowledge. If you want to get a certificate from the IIT Madras, so you have to pay 1000 rupees. I'm just openly asking you what the terms and conditions are it is regarding the certification. And because it is a IIT, so there is no comedy and no kiddingness. So be genuine regarding the exam, and they will get you a chance for giving an exam. And it is not a kind of exam you can fill anything and you got a certificate from the IIT. You need to score some good mark ahead. You can see the terms and conditions of the have also assignment of it. And they will directly to the actually NAPTEL have a YouTube account. If you haven't watched yet, go and check it out. And this is also awesome, where you could got all the course related videos, and you can see the summary of this course, and the course status is upcoming because it is upcoming, that's why it is there. And you can see it's a 12-week course, and the start date is 18th January 2021. So you have a time for register yourself and join in this course. Exam date is the 25th April. You have a lot of time for preparation, that's why you could get a good marks in your exam. And the end date of this course is the 9th of April. So the weekly program it will be run, and enrollment end at the 25th January 2021. And the category you can see this one is the level, undergraduate level, because of the DVMS it is. And look at the professor who it is, and this is a quick descriptions about it, what actually he is. And here the course certification I will tell you. So if you have any problem for this and for joining for enrolling in this course, you just simply click on there, and then you will be redirected to the registered page maybe. Or I would like to say you can watch this video in our I button section. We uploaded it, how to know the IIT video. Here you get all your doubts clear, because I clearly shows what exactly it is. And if you come to our first time in our channel, please have a look in our first series what we made, and hopefully you will like this series too. And some genuine course and the useful also you will found. So that's all that video had the motive of this course again with you to aware with the new IIT related course. That's all that video have. So if you watch till there, thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Zindabad, Bharat Mata ki Jai.